Hello everybody, I'm Yegana and here we have differential diagnostic test part 1 TSI SLANT. TSI or the triple sugar iron test is a microbiological test that it's named for its ability to test the microorganism's ability to ferment sugar and produce hydrogen sulfide. It's often used to differentiate enteric bacteria, including Salmonella and Shigella. The TSI SLANT contains agar, phenyl red, saccharose, lactose, and glucose, and it's prepared diagonally in test tube. That we have two kind of culture, deep or anaerobic culture and surface or aerobic culture. As a result of sugar decomposition, due to acid production, the pH of the culture medium will decrease, and due to protein breakdown, the pH of the culture medium will increase and go up. I will explain it more for you in the next videos. I will take a video from my TSI cultures and the other differential diagnostic tests. So subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram page, and also connect to my LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching.